All right, we're going to dive in and show you how to access employee balance reports so that you can get an idea of how much PTO has everyone accrued within your company. And there's two places we can do this. The first is within the time off tab. If you click on the balances sub-tab, you will get a quick overview of everybody's current balance. So in any category you have, PTO, sick, whatever, you'll be able to see what their current balance is in that category, and you can actually edit the balance from here if you'd like. So that's a quick at-a-glance way to see what everybody currently has. The other thing you can do is a little more in depth. If you go to the reports section of our product and click on the time off reports, we have this option of time off balances. And here you can see a little more in depth, not only the balance that people currently have, but how they arrived at that balance. So for example, I have a date range. So in the last 30 days, Jeffrey Anderson, started with a 0 balance for vacation and a 198-hour balance for sick. During the 30-day period, he accrued 15 sick hours, used 0, and that left him with 213 total hours. And I can see kind of how this breaks down for each one of my employees. I can see employees who may have taken vacation and used time, etc. And you can change this up depending on the date range. So I can look at it for last 7, 30, 60, or I can create a custom range if I wanted to. I can also filter by category. And then one other thing you'll notice is there are some information icons that kind of give a little information. So let's dive into this one. So Sebastian Brown, he started the period with 124 hours, and then there was an adjustment of minus 132 hours. So this information icon will tell us that during this period, Sebastian was moved from a limited accrual policy to an unlimited policy, and therefore his balance was zeroed out. You can see the same thing with Nicole Erickson. She started with 80 hours in this period, accrued 8 hours, but then there was an 80-hour negative adjustment. And during this period, Nicole was removed from the vacation policy, which zeroes out of balance. So you get a little information sometimes as to why things change using these little information icons that you can see here. So that's how you get a balance report, and you can easily see how employees are accruing their balances and what balances they have in Eddy.